Is Bitcoin a scam? Plenty of people started buying Bitcoin without really understanding the underlying structure or value of this cryptocurrency. And some people found themselves as victims of Bitcoin scams that have reemerged recently. But, do you really understand what Bitcoin is? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency. It is not paper money like dollars, euros, or yen by central banks or monetary authorities. Satoshi Nakamoto first proposed Bitcoin in a 2009 white paper. The idea behind Bitcoin was to create a currency system that didn't involve banks, and instead would operate using a decentralized ledger known as blockchain. Blockchain is one of the most interesting inventions that came alongside Bitcoin. Blockchain tracks ownership and allows for immediate and efficient transfers of Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin really a scam? Here is what you need to know and what you need to avoid for. Fake Bitcoin exchanges. One of the biggest red flags is the promise of unrealistic prices. Exchanges that promise heavy discounts on Bitcoin use this strategy to lure in unsuspecting victims. Visiting unsecured websites is a bad idea and dangerous for users. Users should check on the exchange's URLs. Web addresses should always begin with HTTPS, a sign that traffic is encrypted. Next, Ponzi schemes. It is the same as the principle of a pyramid scheme, which take money from new investors to pay previous investors. The scheme solicited money from investors in exchange for shares of cryptocurrency mining pools. Continuing with fake cryptocurrencies that you should aware. It is a common scam to present a new cryptocurrency as an alternative to Bitcoin. Another common Bitcoin scam is malware. Malware has long been a way for hackers to get passwords needed to access computer networks or steal credit card and bank account numbers. Be careful on what you click. You might accidentally download malware by clicking links in your email or from websites and social media. You have to be extra careful when downloading items. Pump and dump scams. A pump and dump scam is the illegal act of an investor or group of investors promoting a stock they hold and selling once the stock price has risen following the surge in interest as a result of the endorsement. You can protect yourself by avoiding single-tip purchasing and knowing when something sounds too good to be true. You should also avoid joining groups that are doing pump and dump trades and people who tell you there's no risk. Technology has made the world a smaller place over recent years. Bitcoin is a child of the technological revolution. It is clear that Bitcoin is gaining interest and use around the globe. Bitcoin, and its operational child, blockchain technology, have a future in the world markets. Bitcoin itself is not a scam, but you need to be aware to avoid losing money by falling prey to those scams mentioned. Bitcoin can be a great way to earn some extra money if you stay alert to something seems too good to be true.